That's their mascot right there. I put on my YouTube. Big flat tire. Big nails. Meanwhile, while we're waiting, hey, look at that. Pretty. Very pretty. Oh guys, here you can buy used car. Not used car, used tire, and also brand new tire. And I trust them. I've been using them for years, and they only charge $10 to $15 to fix your tire. Very cheap, and they do it right away. I just got here, and look. So this is what's inside. Holy guacamole, big. So now it's almost done. There is no tire, so it's hard to put it in. And voila, it's finished. Poo-poo. And that's it. 50. Thank you. Oh. And that's it.